This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 34 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're doing some more bits with the leg. We're covering over some join marks and things like that. So we'll get on with that soon. I'm having a flick through the magazine. If you do want to read the words in the magazine, feel free to pause and you should be able to make out everything on the top page there. Called Nuke. Nuke is the drug of choice in the Robocop world. It's all about that. The build itself, we've got a hard leg that we've been building. We're putting a plate to cover over the big join and then a little bit to cover over the screw holes, as well as a little plug cover over that one. And that's the lower half of this leg basically completed. Next time I believe we're going to be starting on the rest of the leg, which is the interesting one because that's the one that's got the holster in it for the gun. In the real world, we've got household appliances, robots. Yeah, technically robots, some of them, but yeah. When does an appliance become a robot? When it can think or move around, or antibiotics, medical robot things, nanobots and stuff, no doubt, using that in medical advances, all interesting stuff. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this final part of this build done. I say final part of the build, I mean final part of this delivery, not obviously the entire build. We've got quite a long way to go with the build itself. So we've got our parts here. We've got a little cover, which we'll put in last. We've got some screws, which we shall use momentarily. 3 of those to put into that. So there are in fact 4 in the packet as ever. 1 will be kept later. So this covers over our big join down the front of the leg. And the 3 screws hold that in place. This might be where I had trouble with the back of the leg. So be careful not to squish that. So this will go on there like so. And we've got 2 screws at the top and 1 down the bottom. As ever, we put in this type of thing. Don't tighten up the first screw you put in. Leave it loose so you've got a bit of wiggle room to get everything to line up properly. Because that, although it's got 2 screws in the top, you can see I can still move that around to get that into the right position for the screw down the bottom. Did I even put that top screw in though? I don't think I did. I think I didn't pick it up. No. Let's try that again then. Get a screw in the top bit and actually get it to bite in there that time. There we go. And now I'm ready with 1 more screw down the bottom. So that still has some wiggle room down there. Not as much as it did have when it only had 1 screw in the top, but enough to make sure I can get that lined up properly there. Go. Now you can tighten them all up. Make sure that is not escaping. 1 and that 1 there. There we go. Then we have this piece snaps in place and covers over the 2 screw holes at the top there. Just a pin there and pin at the top. That does that. And to cover over the 1 down the bottom is our final piece. Our little decorative plug, which you do have to get the right way round or it looks a bit funny. There's actually one side has a little notch, goes at the top, and the 2 screw hole things line up down there like that, and that should push in place. It isn't. Might need to break out a little bit of glue just to hold that in place there. When you're sure you're not going to get it apart again, it's just double check where that flat side is there. Tiny things and there. That's got to be that way round. Because of that flat, if you don't get it just right, then it won't locate. That's about there. I might, well, yeah, I think I'm going to glue that in place to make sure that's nice and secure in there. But for now, that is that. Another issue completed. Join me next time when we're going to continue up on the leg, I'm sure. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.